Hey everyone, now we're going to talk about comments. So, if you're familiar with comments, what they are basically, they help us organize our code and tell other programmers what our code does. So, in Python, comments are notated with the hashtag symbol, or if any of you are older generation, the pound key. So, when you write this, the hashtag symbol or the pound key, as I might say sometimes, anything afterwards is a comment. So this is a comment. As you can see in Sublime Text, it's notated with different colors. So you'll know this is a comment if it's a different color than this. Anyway, so anything after the hashtag is a comment. And this is actually an inline comment. So anything after the hashtag on the same line as that hashtag is going to be a comment. So if we wrote something afterwards, like just random text, see, as you can see, when I write the letters, it's white again, so that's not a comment. But when I add another hashtag, it's going to be comment. And then again, let's do it again. As you can see, comment. And if we run this code, let's do Control B. We're building in Sublime Text. As you can see, we are now working with comments, and the hashtags, anything behind the hashtags, are not seen at all. They're not interpreted by Python. So let's erase those. All right. So they're to recap, they're one line only, and they're written as a hashtag, and anything after the hashtag is a comment. Now, this won't work in the middle of a string, so let's see that. As you can see, it's in the middle of a string and it's not in different color or anything. Let's build that. As you can see, the hashtag is included in this string. So remember, the hashtag must be kept out of sight of quotations in order to be a comment. And they're inline, so they only work with line per line. And that's it. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.